Hi, guys. How are you? It's Dr. Pam, and I just want to take a moment to thank you so much for being a world changer. I really appreciate that you trust our business. We are really growing. We've got some great plans coming up. I cannot wait to see you in the sessions. Remember, if you've already passed, be sure you reach out to us and get a invite to that passer party. We celebrate you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. We're going to have a really big virtual event also that's happening in September. Hint, hint, hint. Can't tell you more about that yet, but do stay tuned. I also wanted to really thank you for spreading the word. I get so many people that are in other Facebook groups that we can't post in because the NCE people sometimes don't like us, the old guard, and the social workers that have been around forever. Sometimes they don't let us post. But what we have found is we don't have to post. You guys post. Oh my gosh, can I tell you how many times I get a referral, a new client, and they'll say, "My friend passed with you," or "So and so passed with you. I was watching you on Facebook, or I was watching you on YouTube. I'm watching your paid membership where I hear about people that took the test or graduated from school 20 years ago, and they passed the test with Dr. Pam." I cannot tell you how much that means to us. All of you, we realize we are the new face. So even though I've been in the field for 30 years and I've owned this business for 10, we don't look like the typical old guard people that have usually been tutoring for the test. I think I'm a whole lot more fun. I'm just saying if you haven't watched our videos. But I just want to say thank you again. This is going to be posted on our YouTube channel and, of course, posted on our Facebook pages. However, if you find someone, another group that you're in, if they will let you share any of our videos or just a recorded video or just our email, drpam2020 at gmail.com, and I'll also leave the link to our website. But the best way that we repay us for helping you make more money, and most of you made a whole lot more money after you pass with us, and also to get you out of that cycle of thinking you can't pass this test, reminding you that this test is not a measure of your skills as a counselor. It's your measure of skills as a test taker. And that's what we really teach you is really how to take those tests and stop doing this over and over again. So I'm going to ask you if you will do us a favor, if you will take this video and any other link that you have and share it in your other groups, whether it be NCE, NCHMCE, LMFT, drug and alcohol. We also do uh, the academic guidance counseling. So we do those as well. If you're struggling with your praxis, if you're not sure how to leave guidance counseling and come in over to the world of clinical social work, we are here. So I thank you so much. Remember to like this channel and also subscribe. We really like it when you subscribe because when we send out notifications, my subscribers get it first. Thanks, guys. I look forward to seeing you in a session or maybe even a pastor party. Bye.